How I would use screencasting in the classroom is to explain and show how to solve problems. So, as an example, I have simple addition problems, and so 7 plus 2, so you could do 7 and then 8, 8, 9. So you would count the 2 points on 2, and then you would write the number 9, and then to add 1 and 1, you would go 1, 2. So the answer is 2. And then for 5 plus 3, so you have 5, and then 6, 7, 8, because there's 3 points on 3. So then you would write 8. And then for 4, you would go 4 plus 5, and it would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because there are 5 points for 5, so the answer would be 9. And this is just an easy and simple way of how screencasting can be used in the classroom, and I think it's very effective and helpful for kids to visually see how to solve a problem.